Hey, welcome back everyone. Definitely not a bright and sunny day today. We're working out here in the dark. I've got the 2-bottom plow hooked up to the tractor. It's calling for snow starting at 10 o'clock tonight into about 4 o'clock in the morning. So we're supposed to get anywhere from 2 to 6, 10 to 12. Lord only knows how many inches of snow we're going to get. But let's hop on here, and I want to turn some soil. Show you what I got on here. Got the old 2-bottom Dearborn plow. Let's go turn some soil. So anyhow, I want to get this soil turned over. I had pick your own flowers out here last year along the driveway, and this year I'm going to put up a deer fence, try to do some rabbit control, and get some vegetables, tomatoes, and other varieties of seeds that I've got started in the house. And I'll talk to y'all more later about that. But it's that time. Everybody needs to start getting ready for growing your own vegetables and all. Lord knows the quality at the grocery stores isn't what it used to be. My own. What we have left over we'll sell in the market. All right. Now, just so you all know, I have already rototilled this before with the tiller, and called Miss Utility, made sure there was nothing underground, all that. Make sure you do that before you do any kind of digging. That's very important. So let's get this thing here. I got looks pretty good. Get my headlamp back on. some of them flowers. A little soft, but here in a couple weeks, once this dries out, we'll take the rototiller and go across it and fluff it up, send this to a lab, get a soil test done, gather the results on what minerals we need to add. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go do another pass right here in this area here, all the way back up there to the greenhouse. So thanks for watching. If you ever get a chance, come see us at Wild Feather Farm, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care, y'all.